BMP is an iPhone app that we designed for our users to be able to get their music out to the local public. We also added a social media aspect to this, where we have the news function, the photo function, and the music function. Through the news function, you'll be able to upload information such as I'm playing at this venue on so-and-so day, so all your followers can understand. The photo function is more of a visualization to see how your band works, and of course the music is for everyone to enjoy and listen to.
Experience that really made me ready for the life outside in the real world. I think I'm really going to have a foot in the door and be able to take my career to the next level, you know what I mean?
Hi, I'm Baiyan Zhang from Team 80s. In this project, my role is building and complete our MySQL database and write the PHP code to insert, select, and edit the data. I have learned how to do the PHP coding and how to use the MySQL database to store the pictures and songs. My advice is teamwork is not as easy as you think. If you made any schedules, you should follow it or it will affect the whole process. Also, if you have any problems, you should not afraid to ask help from your teammates.
Yep.
Hi, I'm George Kanavos with Bloomington Music Push. My role on the team consisted of working with the Xcode, learning Swift to help the functionality between the PHP, the MySQL, and the Xcode design. I got the pleasure of working alongside all the teammates to ensure optimal functionality between all the features of the application. My biggest advice to the future members of Capstone would be to take it very seriously and don't rely solely on one person's prior coding knowledge. Also to be very flexible. If something comes along and you need to change, be open to it, because things do happen and there are difficulties along with the project. That just comes with any group project, but just kind of be open and be willing to do the work.
How's my hair calling? Yeah, hello. My name is Mark Isgrigg for Bloomington Music Push and Team 18. And for this project, what I learned is how once an iPhone app makes a request for information, how that information is carried through PHP and is either stored or retrieved on a MySQL database. Probably the best advice that I can give is that research at the very beginning is probably the most important part of your project. Make sure that when you're looking at a technology that it has enough tutorial information and faculty help to be able to complete your project on time.
Hello, I'm Brendan Hora from Bloomington Music Push, and I was the lead Swift coder and the lead graphic designer. For this project, I've learned a lot about interface design, as in like creating all iOS interfaces. I learned a lot of Swift coding while creating the news function, the photos function, and even attempting to create the music function, even though that didn't work out as planned. My advice to future Capstone members is don't wait until the last second. Use your time wisely, because time management is key. You'll notice that basically all the work happens towards the end of the project, or at least it seems like it, because people usually slack off. Don't slack off. Also, be resourceful, because if you have a problem, you're going to need to fix it, and there's really no way to fix it unless you actually go to someone who knows what they're doing. There we go.